Hello viewers, welcome back again in another exciting video. Love, how are you all doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. So my people, today I have come with another interesting topic. Oh yes. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can restore your visionary eye, like how you can restore your third eye if your third eye has been lost or it has been blocked totally because of one thing or the other. And enemies can as well block someone's third eye. It is 100% possible. So if you're the person that, if you're a pastor, a minister, a woman of God, and your vision is not clear, you are not seeing the way you're supposed to see, you see today, before you see another one, it will take months. Now this video is for you. Or maybe you have lost your own completely. You are not seeing anything. You have done all the things that you're supposed to do, yet you are still blind spiritually. You cannot see. Your third eye has been blocked by the enemy. The reason why enemies block people's third eyes, the reason why enemies attack pastors, because they know that they have this gift of seeing vision. So they will do everything humanly possible, spiritually possible, to do what? To block your third eye, to make you never to see again, because they know that whenever you see, you always see something, and when hidden sin has been revealed to you, you tell the people, you will tell your people that look at what I've seen, look at this is what I'm saying. That is why they always fight those who has this spirit, who has the gift of what? Seeing. So if your own has been blocked, there is no problem. This video will give you a lasting solution to that problem by God's grace. All I want you to do is to please pay attention, and then you make sure to watch this video to the end. Do not even skip any part of this video if you really want to know how we can use just one leaf. If you can find this leaf in your area, good and fine. That will solve your problem by God's grace. All right, so before I go into that detail or to show you the leaf, I want to use this beautiful opportunity to thank my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate your kind gestures. May God Almighty bless you. And for my newer subscribers, thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you for taking to watch me. I really appreciate the support. All right, so guys, now to open your third eye, there's a video I made about Anono leaf. Now that Anono leaf is not available, this one now is available. All right, Anono leaf is not available because it doesn't survive in the dry season or harmattan season. But this one works more better than Anono leaf, and it is easy to find during rainy season and also during dry season. So if you have been gisting, if you have been calling me or texting me asking for Anono, and I told you, keep on telling you that it is not available, this is a very great option. This is a very great opportunity for you to get this another powerful leaf that works more than that Anono leaf that I have been telling you. Now, to recover your sight, to recover your sight, to make your sight to come back to you again, to make you to start seeing vision, things that has been hidden from you all this while by the enemy, whether the enemy block your eyes or something, maybe something happened, and along the line your spiritual eyes block, or you're a minister, you are a pastor, you're no longer seeing vision the way that you're losing members. This is what you need to do. Get me this leaf, okay? I'm coming. This leaf. It's a scattered. It has a lot of ants in it. So this is the leaf I'm talking about. Okay, look at the leaf here. The name of the leaf is Egbo Ore Akoko. Egbo Ore Akoko. That is the Yoruba name. Okay, Egbo Ore Akoko, that is Egbo Ore Akoko. Egbo Ore Akoko, that is the Yoruba name of this beautiful leaf. So this leaf has a lot of benefit as well, spiritual benefit, not only both health benefits. So if you want to learn a health benefit of this sleeve, then follow me on my Facebook page at Health with Amaka. Okay, here I'll be discussing with you how you can use this leaf to cure prostate cancer in just 2 weeks. I will discuss with you how to use this leaf to cure prostate cancer. And also this leaf, you can as well use it to do what? You can use this leaf as a back to sender. You can use this leaf as a very big favor. Like, for example, things are not working for you. You can use this leaf. So if you want to learn all these systems, please keep on watching my videos. I will be revealing from time to time the uses of this leaf, not only to use it to recover your lost eye. All right. Now, when you get this leaf, how will you make use of it? When you get this leaf, okay, just count only 21, add from it. Then when you count it, just wash it, okay? Like you wash it like the way you're washing bitter leaf. Wash it very well, and then the water that come out from it, you can add water while you're washing it. The water that come out from it, okay, use it to do what? To wash your face. But before you wash your face, wash this face around the hour of 10 o'clock in the night, last thing in the night before you go to bed. You need to wash your face, and then as you're washing your face, be making your prayer. Be making your prayer that you want your vision to come back to you. You want your lost glory, you want your third eye to come back to you. Okay? And anything that has blocked it, be it spirit, be it human being, be it witches, be it anything, that today that you are what? Uncovering that. And that you are commanding your lost eye to come back. You have to do this for complete 1 week. Okay, every new day you get 21. Every new day you get 21. You wash it at that same hour. You don't have to miss it. Let me tell you, this will not only give you visionary eye, but it will review if you're the type that always play lotto, or maybe you want to win lottery. You want to win lottery and get this leaf. It will be revealing secret numbers, secret things that you needed to do on that your latrine. Okay, so guys, that's the end of this video. Please, if you have watched up to this hour, you have subscribed to my channel, maybe you're just a new member, please kindly subscribe before leaving, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will get notification. Okay, thank you for doing that. And also remember to like this video. Do not just keep watching this video without liking it. Like this video, share it, leave your comment in the comment section. And if you want to order this leaf, you can order it from us on WhatsApp 090-5982-5779, 090-5982-5779. That is the number to WhatsApp to order this leaf. We ship anywhere in the world. Okay, even if it's dry on your hand, you can pound it as well. Use it to mix little black soap. Use it to be washing your face at the same hour. Okay, so guys, that's it. Just the end of this video for today. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. You have a lovely Monday. Bye.